Okay guys. So my friend told me to play this. So
With
enjoy.
him.
I am waiting in the lobby right now. Oh, the game started. I already died. I am gonna do a little dance. Hee hee. Okay, now time for the next round. The platforms are exploding ahead. Oh no, my friend is killing us. I'm dodging him, hee hee. Oh no, I'm so low. I died. Time to wait again. I got ragdolled. Oh, next game started. I have to deliver pizza. I delivered it. Time for meditating. Oh, next game started again. I have to climb tall mountain. Oh no, I died. But I can respawn. Oh. Time to climb again. Almost there. Oh man, I was so close. Oh, game ended. I'm gonna get the chest. Oops, I don't have Robux, though. Now it's time to wait again. I instantly died when I spawned. But I can respawn. D. Now time to do the dropper. Almost there. Whoa, it's very long, actually. I did it. Yay! And by the way, that is my friend, in front of me. Oh, now time for next game. Spikes are gonna come. Aha! I'm dodging it. I'm gonna win. Just survive for a bit more. That one almost got me. Oh no, my friend froze me with his gun. He got me killed. I guess we wait here. Okay guys. This was very fun. But I'm ending video. Bye.